Hi, I'm Jazz from TentBox and this is the TentBox Lite 2.0. When closed, it's our smallest tent in the range, packing up to a compact 1.3 by 1.1 metres. Weighing just 49 kilograms, it fits on almost any vehicle, yet it still has plenty of space to sleep to. The waterproof travel cover is made from a super robust Cordura fabric, zipping firmly in place to keep it safe while on the move. When you arrive at your destination, simply roll the cover underneath the tent or remove it and store it in the boot. It only takes around 3 to 5 minutes to set up, making it ideal for spontaneous trips. And like all of our tent boxes, the more you do it, the easier it gets. Setting a new standard for roof tents, the Lite 2.0 is packed with features, including an outer skirting to keep things tidy, a removable rainfly for even easier setup in the summer months, and a porch for a little extra shelter. It's a great all-rounder that will see you through all your adventures. If you choose to keep it on your car throughout the year, you'll be ready to pitch up whenever the mood takes you. And if you're travelling solo, it's easy enough to set it up single-handedly. With a bit of practice, you'll soon be a pro tent boxer. Of course, it's built to withstand winds up to 39 miles per hour throughout all 4 seasons, so you can rely on the Lite 2.0 whatever the weather. Inside, you can enjoy bug-free ventilation with fly mesh on all windows and doors, as well as multiple storage options for all your gear. Wherever you choose to stop for the night, you can enjoy panoramic views of all your surroundings with the dual skylights and large windows. On warmer days, you can embrace summer mode by removing the rainfly for an even easier setup and minimal look. When it's time to hit the hay, you'll enjoy a comfortable night's sleep on our 6cm dual layer mattress. The waterproof mattress cover is easy to remove when needed, and you can chuck it in the washing machine when you get home to keep it fresh for your next trip. The Lite 2.0 benefits from high performance materials. On the inside, silicone tape seams and YKK zips protect you from the elements. On the outside, we use strong ripstop fabric with 3000mm waterproof coating and a stormproof rainfly to keep even the heaviest of showers at bay. We really have thought of everything, from lay-flat ladder runs so you can climb in barefoot, to internal pockets and straps for storing your gear. It's designed to make every trip as comfortable and convenient as possible. Not forgetting, it's compatible with several add-ons and accessories for the ultimate TentBoxing experience. Our full range of gear is available on our website. So whether you're looking for last-minute weekend escapes or long extended road trips, the TentBox Lite 2.0 is your ticket to instant adventure. Are you ready to experience the freedom of the outdoors? Get your Lite 2.0 today and let the adventures begin. As always, if you have any questions about our products, installation, vehicle suitability or anything else, please reach out to our friendly team.